Let me ask you something honest. When you speak English, do you sometimes say, um, uh, ah, and suddenly your sentence becomes very slow?
Yes, it sounds like this. I think, maybe, we can, go there?
Exactly. Many English learners speak like this. And do you know something funny? Even native speakers do this.
Yes, everyone says sometimes. But when we say it too much, our speech sounds nervous or unconfident.
Today, we will learn something powerful. How to stop saying so often, and how to sound more confident in English.
And don't worry, this lesson will be simple, practical, and fun.
By the end of this episode, your English will sound clearer, stronger, and much more natural.
So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders.
And let's begin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with us. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam, and today we are talking about a very common speaking problem, the word
Yes, that small sound causes big problems, especially when you speak English.
Imagine this situation. You are talking to someone, maybe a friend, maybe a coworker, or maybe a teacher.
And you want to say something simple, but your brain suddenly freezes. Then your mouth says,
Yes, your brain is thinking, but your mouth is waiting.
That moment feels uncomfortable. So your brain tries to fill the silence, and the sound appears.
But here is the important truth. Saying is not a mistake. It is just a thinking sound.
Exactly. We say for one simple reason. Our brain needs time to think.
Language is like building a sentence. Your brain must choose words, arrange grammar, and control pronunciation.
That takes time, especially in a second language.
So your brain says, wait a moment, I need time.
And that is when we say,
Or sometimes,
or even, ah.
Yes, the sound becomes longer and longer.
But here is good news. You can replace with better strategies. The first and most powerful strategy is simple. Pause.
Yes, just pause. Silence is not bad.
Many learners fear silence, but silence is natural in conversation.
Listen to this example. I think we should try another restaurant.
That sounds calm, natural, and confident.
Now listen to this version. I think, we should, try another restaurant.
That sounds much less confident.
Exactly. Silence sounds stronger than
Strategy number 2. Use thinking phrases.
These phrases give your brain time, and they sound natural.
For example, let me think.
That's a good question.
Well,
Actually,
these small phrases replace
let's hear an example. Question. What do you like to do on weekends?
Instead of saying, you can say, that's a good question. I like reading and walking in the park.
Much better.
Strategy number 3. Speak slower.
Many learners speak too fast, then their brain cannot keep up.
And the result is,
Yes, when you slow down, your brain has more time.
your sentences become smoother, clearer, more confident.
Sarah, I once counted how many times I said,
Oh no. How many?
In one presentation, I said, 23 times.
23!
Yes, my friend told me after the meeting. He said, your favorite word is
That is funny, but it shows something important. We often do not notice our speaking habits.
Awareness is the first step.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Silence is okay.
Good. Now say, I can pause when I think.
Excellent. Your voice already sounds more confident.
Imagine someone asks you, what did you do yesterday?
Instead of saying, try this. Let me think. Yesterday, I visited my friend.
That sounds natural, friendly, confident.
In the next part of this lesson, we will practice real conversations.
And learn 3 more powerful techniques.
Techniques that help you speak without saying,
Let's continue with another powerful idea. Many people say because they feel nervous.
Yes, when we feel nervous, our brain becomes very busy. It tries to find the perfect words. But while the brain searches, the mouth fills the silence.
And the famous word appears.
But today, we will train our brain to stay calm. Strategy number 4 is simple. Take a breath.
Breathing helps your brain relax. When you relax, your thinking becomes clearer.
Listen to this example. Someone asks you a question. Instead of saying, immediately, take one small breath.
Then answer slowly. Your speech becomes calmer and more confident.
This small habit makes a big difference.
Another reason we say is because we try to say complicated sentences.
Exactly. Learners sometimes try to sound very advanced, but their brain becomes overloaded.
Then the mouth starts saying, maybe,
Instead, choose simple sentences. Simple English is strong English.
For example, question, what do you like to do after work?
A complicated answer might create many ums, but a simple answer works perfectly. I like watching movies and walking in the park.
Clear. Natural. No
The best way to stop saying is practice. The more you speak English, the faster your brain finds words.
Think about driving a car. At first, everything feels difficult. Steering, braking, changing gears.
But after practice, your brain does it automatically.
Speaking English is the same. Practice creates fluency.
Adam, I remember a student who tried to stop saying
What did he do?
Every time he said he had to drink water.
That sounds dangerous. He must have drunk a lot of water.
Yes, after 5 minutes, he was completely full.
But maybe he improved his speaking.
Actually, he did, because he started noticing when he said
Awareness helps change habits.
Let's learn some small thinking words. These words replace
They sound natural in conversation.
For example, well,
Let me think.
actually,
You know,
these words give your brain time.
but they sound smoother than
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Well, I think it's a good idea.
Great. Now say, let me think about that.
Very good. Your speech already sounds more natural.
Let's imagine a real conversation. I will ask a question. Sarah will answer without saying,
Okay,
What is your favorite place to relax?
let me think. I enjoy walking near the river. It feels peaceful.
That sounded very natural.
And there was no Confidence changes the way we speak. When you believe in your voice, you speak more smoothly.
When you doubt yourself, your brain hesitates, and appears again.
Confidence grows through practice, not perfection.
Let's do a quick exercise. Speak one short sentence about your day, but remember 3 rules. Pause, breathe, speak slowly.
Try it now. Today, I studied English.
Excellent.
Here is one final tip. Record yourself speaking English.
When you listen to the recording, you will notice your habits. Maybe you say maybe you speak too fast.
Awareness helps improvement. Let's repeat one final sentence together. I can speak English calmly.
Good. Now say, I can pause instead of saying
Wonderful. Remember something important. Speaking clearly is not about speed. It is about calm thinking.
Pauses are powerful. Silence is natural. And confidence grows with practice.
If you enjoyed this lesson, continue practicing every day.
And try speaking 1 minute without saying,
You will be surprised how quickly you improve.
You can download the script and workbook in the description below.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And keep building your confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.